Hello, sir. Good afternoon to my respected professor. First of all, I would like to say thank you to give me these opportunities. Then I start introduce myself. I am Aman Thakur. I am appearing BA 6th semester at Palagata College. Now, let us start my discussion. It is all about India-China education relations. Now, move on my topic. India and China have signed education exchange program in 2006, which is umbrella agreement for educational corporations between the both of the countries. Under this agreement, government scholarships are awarded by 25 students. Both of the sides in recognized institutions for highly learning each other's country. The 25 student scholarship are awarded India, offered by Indian Council Cultural Relations. During visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in China, both of the countries have signed fresh education exchange program May 15 and 2015. Some provides for enhanced corporations between the institutions in the field of vocational education for highly learned institutions. 25 students have been selected to join Hindi language during the academic year 2017-18 under the education exchange program scholarship awarded by Indian Council Cultural Relations. Apart from this, Chinese students are also annually awarded to study in Kendriya Hindi Sansthan, Agra, to learn Hindi in the academic year 2017-18. 5 Chinese students have been selected to study in Agra under this scheme. The corporations of the educational sector between the both of the countries result are increasing. There are a number of Indian students. So 18,717 Indian students they study in China in various universities and various disciplines. Sri Prakash Javadekar, Minister of the Human Development, attained and BRICS Minister of the Education on 5 July in 2017 at Beijing in China. His speech, he appreciated the creations of the institutions mechanism in form of BRICS network universities and BRICS Think Tank Council. The BRICS network universities were 12 universities, each of the 5 countries will engage with education, innovations, and research. And another is communicable and initiatives. There are 5 is most communication, infiltrate that economics, climate change, water research, population, and BRICS study. India participated wholeheartedly there, but all efforts. The embassies try to regular communicate with MOE in China as well as all universities in India. The embassy's official visit is not only establish the direct contact but also interact every Indian student. The minister's email address and phone number and email address of second secretary is provided the embassy's website. The mission has launched a social media to we can communicate, but we can chart every Indian student with an objective to make it easy for them to reach out the Indian student and embassies for indefinite cities in China. Sir, I hope Group B presentations is going well. So I would like to say also thank you to responsible guidance, Mr. Ujjal Kirtania. Sir, we are trying to give these presentations of our internal examinations. Then I am ending my little discussions. Thank you, sir. Thank you.